Blend number 20, Bathroom Plus Concentrate. The Bathroom Plus performance you trust now in a concentrated formula. This highly concentrated formula, diluted exclusively through the NCL Dual Blend Chemical Management System, produces 163 gallons of solution per concentrated case. This one-step germicidal disinfectant, cleaner, and deodorant can be used on all water-washable restroom surfaces in all types of facilities. Dual Blend 20 Bathroom Plus Concentrate is bactericidal, fungicidal, and virucidal against a wide variety of viruses